Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 27. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? A. Force, B. Altitude, C. Weight, D. Displacement, E. Acceleration. Now, vector quantity are quantities that has both magnitude and direction. Vector quantities are quantities that has both what? They have both magnitude and direction. Now, unlike the scalar quantity has only magnitude but no direction. An example of vector quantities include force, weight, displacement, acceleration. Now all these quantities has magnitude and they also have direction. They have direction at which they act. But now option B says altitude. Altitude here simply represents height, and height can also be represented as length. And like you know, length or distance is a scalar quantity. It's a scalar quantity. It has no direction, but it has magnitude. So option B is the correct answer to this question. It is not a vector quantity. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.